Hey guys, welcome to Login Apps. Today I'll be showing you how to log into your Quillbot account online on your computer. And now let's start right in. Now to log into your Quillbot account on your computer, first open up your preferred browser as I've already opened the Google Chrome, and in the search bar click over there and type in the address quillbot.com like this and hit on enter, and then you'll be redirected to the home page of the Quillbot. Guys, you can also use the Quillbot on your computer without logging into your account, but if you want to log into your Quillbot account and save your activities on Quillbot, at the top right corner of the screen you can see there is the profile icon or the login button available for us, where I'm hovering right now. Click on that profile icon like this, and then you'll be directed over here where you'll be able to sign into your Quillbot account. To do that, just enter your email address with which you have signed up for an account on quillbot.com like this, and after that enter your password like this, guys. But guys, if you want to log into your Quillbot account with your Google or your Facebook account, simply click on these buttons and a login panel will appear depending upon on which button you clicked. And on that login panel, if you log into your Google or your Facebook account, you will be signed into your Quillbot account respectively. And with that being said, guys, after entering your email address and your password, but if you've forgotten your password, you can always reset it from over here where it says reset password. If you click on that button, you'll be taken to a procedure where you'll be able to retrieve or reset your Quillbot account's password. And with that being said, guys, after entering your email and your password, simply click on login, and then you'll be signed into your Quillbot account online on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.